Welcome to seasparkles Corner. David's emptied out the box and I just found out about it.
Yeah, just literally, only thing I had to do was flip this pipe over and just let this on top to give it a little higher. I didn't like the height it was going to sit at. So now basically I have to do is just untie, untie.
So it came in that one piece like?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And just simply grab it.
Like an umbrella, yeah.
Yep.
Hey, we just put a piece of cloth over and we got us some shade.
Whoa!
It needs to be hooked to that pipe.
Wait a minute. I think we got a snarl. Yep, got a snarl. Yep, got it. You gotta make sure you ain't got nothing stuck or anything. You're pulling it up. Alright, now. Pull this one. Alright. It's all good. Oh, okay. That ends up being the farthest out. Sure. Oh, okay, okay. Oh, alright, that's what this is for. Yeah. Got to put a little tie over here. It's nice and taut, you know what I mean? Around like that. Knot there. Another little knot there. There we go. Yeah. So that's a slack line when you're collapsing it, extending it. That's what that is. Alright. All looks good. Okay. Boom.
What about the steel down there? You literally picked it up out of there.
Oh, this?
No, how do you link it so it stays together through the wind?
That's it. You can zip tie it though.
You picked it up.
Yeah. You just.
So is there a way to secure it?
Oh, I just have a couple anchors down in the ground to hold it. But yeah, it's all
Well,
done.
let's do that because this wind down here is going to take it.
Yeah, you see, the thing is that you ain't really got any cells up here for it to grab onto anyhow.
So what are you going to do? Take it down every time we have a wind
Well,
warning?
every time you have a hurricane season or whatever, you're supposed to take these down.
Okay.
That's why they're designed to be collapsible. So you just come out, you collapse it down, you take it inside during high winds or whatever. You're not supposed to be left outside.
That's a good note. That's why I was asking questions.
Yeah. There.
You could always still zip tie it like this.
Not in there. There we go. Yeah, you can zip tie it, you can anchor it down, or you can screws or whatever, but these are intended to be taken down during hurricane season or high winds or whatever. These aren't meant to be left outside.
What David is doing is making adjustments.
Yeah, just tightening up the lines a bit.
So it meant to go up and down kind of like an umbrella.
Oh yeah. You just pull out of the box, you slap it up, you deploy it, and then during hurricanes or whatever, you just take it down. One thing I don't like about it is I don't really like the strings they use on these.
You picked it.
Yeah, I know, but see, this plastic coring, there ain't nothing in these. This stuff stretches. But it'll work. It'll work.
Better than the ones they used to put on them.
All right, done. It's all nice and tightened up. Yep. See? Basically just go up, plug that in.
Put it down now, David.
You pull it down. You close it up.
Pick it up and take it in the house.
And then we got it Perkins or whatever. And you bring out your plug, you put it on top of that, you just walk inside.
Okay.
As always, thank you for watching, and peace out. I'm going to leave this up. Go and do laundry later on this week.